for my babies.
In 5 simple steps, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most natural looking V-part wig using 1 pack of X-pression braiding hair that you can comfortably rock with no leave out, as a drawstring ponytail and as a headband wig for only $3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveths. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, like welcome back, welcome back to my channel.
And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way.
So in order to achieve the colors that I used for this tutorial, I took 1 pack of X-pression braiding hair in color 1, cut it in half. I also took 1 pack of color 2, cut it in half as well. And then I took 1/2 from each pack and mixed them together to get my main color, because I couldn't get X-pression braiding hair in color 1B, which is the exact color of my natural hair. I also feathered the tips and brushed the hair with a hairbrush, you know, to get rid of tangles that can make it difficult to separate the hair. So because I always trace my side parts, you know, using the highest point of my eyebrow, I put on my wig cap and, you know, lined it with a white eyeliner so as to get the perfect fit when I'm done making the wig. Once you're done marking the wig cap, transfer it to your mannequin head and secure it with, you know, any type of like pin that you have so your cap doesn't move around. For this step, you'll need a crochet needle like this. Taking a reasonable amount of hair, I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, install the hair to the wig cap using my crochet needle. So over the past couple of months, V-part wigs have been trending, and all the videos that I saw were videos of YouTubers that used like virgin human hair. So I decided to do a tutorial for those of you who don't have, you know, like $300, $400 to spend on a wig.
So many tears.
Now, one thing to bear in mind to ensure that your wig turns out perfect is to ensure that there's enough spacing between the hair at the back and closing on the spacing as you get towards the front, like so. Now that I've gotten to the front, I decided to take my measuring tape, you know, just to show you guys the length of my parting. And for this tutorial, my parting was 3 inches. So for my parting, as well as the perimeter of the front, which is like the front and the side, if that makes any sense, I'm going to be doing the invisible knotless method instead of the regular crochet method. And if you don't know what that is, make sure you check out this tutorial that I did showing in detail how to do the invisible crochet method. It's going to be linked somewhere here or in the description box down below. Also, as you guys can see, I'm also doing the invisible crochet method 1 hole after the other in a straight line because because this is going to simulate our parting, and yeah, I just want that to be as straight as possible. As you guys can see, the parting on the left side wasn't as straight as the parting on the right, but I made it work, okay? I also use a small crochet needle and not a ventilating needle, because the last thing I'll do is use a ventilating needle that require me to like attach my hair 1 strand at a time. Like, I would never do that. I do not have that time to be attaching 1 strand of connected hair at a time to, like, I can't do that. So make sure you use a small crochet needle and attach your hair like so, and you're definitely going to end up with the same results I got, period. Meanwhile, if you've made it this far into this tutorial, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss future uploads from your girl.
So don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, pretty, even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, even in the morning.
One secret to having perfectly styled hair is to layer it, and to do that I'm going to use the razor comb and layer it like so.
You think that I can't see?
Now at this point, feel free to go ahead and skip over to step 5 if you want to wear your hair like this. But if this beautiful braided look is what you're going for, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and divide the hair into 4 sections and braid them. For the back, I made 4 braids in each section, and for the front, I made 6 braids in each section, which means I had a total of 20 box braids. And this is just going to give me that kinky straight look with a twist. I also didn't braid the hair all the way to the end, as you guys can see, and you're going to know why in a couple of seconds, okay? So because I wanted to mimic a braid out, or is it braid out or braided out look? Whatever, because I was going for that look with finger curls at the end, I decided to use small perm rods to curl the tips, and it's amazing how something as little as this took this hairstyle to a whole new level.
Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded.
So it's time to set our curls, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some conditioner to the hair before going ahead to add my hot water, and this is going to drastically reduce the amount of frizz. So after allowing the hair sit in hot water for about a minute, I took it out, and while it was still very hot, I went ahead and sprayed it with my Cream of Nature, I think it's Argan oil hair Sheen, and this is going to give your hair an incredible amount of shine and luster. So now that the hair is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and attach my clips to the hair. These clips are very affordable, and you can get a pack of about 20 or thereabout for less than $3 on Amazon or AliExpress. I'm definitely going to put the link to the clips as well as every other products used in this tutorial in the description box down below. So I went ahead and sewed on the clips like so, and I had a total of 4 clips on the parting area. On the front, like where my forehead is, I had 2 clips, and on the other side I had 1 clip, and at the back I just went ahead and sewed a regular wig comb. Once I was done with that, I went ahead and gently unraveled the hair, and the moment I took out the perm rods, I fell in love with this hair even more. If you don't know how to braid, you can go ahead and curl your wig using like flexi rods or straws. Like, feel free to curl this hair anyhow you like. It mustn't be like this. This was the look I was going for, and I was so happy I went for this look because, girl, it was beautiful. It's time to put our DIY V-part wig, I-part wig, or whatever you might want to call it to test. And I'm going to be doing that with no leave out at all. For my natural hair, I just like put it in a low bun with no products at all. Added some styling moves to make it sleep and tidy it down for a while. To install the hair, you want to open up the clips, insert it into your hair very close to the hairline, and snap them to close them. And Let me tell you something, these clips are the most secure hair clips you can use, period. If you've been following me for some time, you know that your girl never ever styles her hair in the middle. But for this tutorial, I was like, let me just go ahead and style my hair in the middle. And while I was parting my hair, something inside me kept saying, love it, you're definitely going to end up with a side part. So I went ahead and just showed you guys how to kind of like blend the hair. After installing the hair, I went ahead and used my edges brush. I just kept going back and forth, and by the time I was done, I was mind blown because this hair was so beautiful. So the good thing with this DIY $3 V-part wig is the fact that it is so versatile. On this day I was about going out and I had my hair slicked all the way to the back, and I was like, let me just try and see if I can wear this as a drawstring ponytail. So I wore this as a drawstring ponytail. I also wore it as a headband wig. I wore this hair in different styles. Even if you have like a regular V-part wig, like a store-bought brand or human hair, you can also recreate these styles and you'll be good to go. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Please comment down below which style was your favorite hairstyle. Also let me know if you'll be recreating this hairstyle as well. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell button, okay? Turn on your notifications. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.
Favorites to